Let's create our first word cloud activity in Edvento. First, open the Activities page, or simply click the Create New Activity button on your dashboard. Both options will take you to the Activities page. From the activity list, find the word cloud activity. Each activity is displayed as an activity card. Move your mouse over the word cloud activity card. The card will flip. On the back of the card, click Create Game. A pop-up window will appear. You may notice that there is no public or private selection in this window. This is because word cloud is a live activity. All live activities are private by default. Live activities cannot be published or shared in the Edvento library. Now enter a name for your activity. For example, type word cloud. Then click Create Activity. The activity creation screen will open. First, you can select a background image for your activity. From the navigation bar, click the Theme button. You will see a selection of background images. Choose the image you would like to use. Then, scroll down to the Question section. Here, you will see the question prompt and question description fields. The information entered in these fields will be visible to your students when the activity begins. In the question prompt field, type, "Where are you from?" In the question description field, type, "Write your city name." When your question is ready, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click Save Changes to save the updates you have made to the activity. Then, scroll back to the top of the page. In the navigation bar, click Save. The Save Changes button saves the updates made inside the activity. The Save button at the top finalizes the complete activity. After you click Save, the activity creation screen will close. Your new word cloud activity is now available in the Activities section of your dashboard. To learn how to present this activity to your students, watch our How to Present Live Activities tutorial. The same presentation process applies to all live activities in Edvento. And that's it. Your first word cloud activity is ready.